The corner of Yonge and Dundas is a highly populated area no matter what time of day it is. People are constantly rushing to go through to school, work, or to shop. However, Dundas Square itself remains empty and unused for most of the time. We took a look into this to find out why. This space was originally created as an attraction for not only the tourists, but Torontonians themselves. It is a space that is meant to be lively, fun, and very inviting. Instead, many walk past it because of the lack of all these activities going on. Dundas Square is known as being a space that is highly stimulated and populated. However, this big empty lot seems to prove otherwise. From the fall to the spring seasons, this lot rarely has activities going on. This further creates the feel of emptiness. This area has a very interesting vertical skyline with many billboards, ads, and lights, creating a sense of excitement for all viewers. Although there are lots of advertisements, none of them seem to promote Dundas Square itself. For example, the events that go on there. One of the biggest visual problems that this space has is that the huge columns that are blocking the view of Dundas Square itself. This makes it hard for people to see the events that are going on from across the street. Seating is another issue within this space. Not only is there very few places where you can actually sit, but they are inefficient and very uncomfortable. Here are a few examples of some seating that Dundas Square would benefit from. These options from New York and Toronto can help make Dundas Square more of a landmark and a hangout space for people to enjoy. This also helps to trigger people's cognitive sense, which will help them remember this area in the future. This area would not only serve as an installation, but also as a seating arrangement, which would spark people's interest. Going back to our example from New York, it is shown that greenery exists along the side, a busy atmosphere. This would be great for Dundas Square, seeing as there are only a few potted plants there now. This area of Dundas Square is very pedestrian friendly. However, the narrow street on the south side can potentially provide better and a more efficient access. Tourist buses that are currently stopping along Yonge Street and holding up traffic can use this street to also promote more people walking through the square to get to their destination.